Honda is reviving one of its most iconic scooters with the 2026 Wuyang-Honda Zoomer A. Unlike the electric version introduced in China in 2023, this latest model is finally pedal-free, bringing back the Zoomer's legendary design reminiscent of the popular 50 cubic centimeters gasoline version from the 2000s. This change was made possible after the Chinese government revised its electric scooter regulations and removed the requirement for pedals. The absence of pedals gives the Zoomer E a cleaner and more masculine look. Its distinctive identity remains intact, from the exposed steel tube frame and round dual LED headlights to the wide, all-terrain style tires that give it a rugged look on city streets. Its silhouette now truly evokes the first-generation Honda Zoomer that was so popular among young people. It's not just the design that has been upgraded, its safety features are also far more modern. While the previous model used front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, the Zoomer E is now equipped with disc brakes on both wheels. Even more interestingly, Honda has also included a traction control system, TCS, as a standard feature, helping to maintain traction when traversing slippery surfaces such as wet road markings or manhole covers. This electric scooter weighs just 54.5 kilograms with a seat height of 728 millimeters, making it easy to handle for riders of various heights. The rear suspension can be adjusted to 5 different levels to enhance comfort when riding on bumpy roads. In terms of performance, the Zoomer E is powered by a 400-watt electric motor with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. 2 lithium-ion battery options are available: a 48-volt, 24-amp-hour battery capable of a range of up to 80 kilometers and a 48-volt, 30-amp-hour version with a range of up to 105 kilometers. The battery is removable, making it easy to recharge using a standard household outlet. Modern technology is also a major selling point. Through the Y-Link app, a smartphone can function as a digital key with Bluetooth-based automatic lock and unlock features. Additionally, it features cruise control, a USB port, and several keyless unlocking methods that eliminate the need for a conventional key. In terms of dimensions, the Zoomer E measures 1,700 millimeters in length, 765 millimeters in width, 1,030 millimeters in height, and has a wheelbase of 1,220 millimeters. In the Chinese market, the standard version is priced at 5,999 yuan, making it one of the most feature-packed retro-modern electric scooters in its class. Although its launch in Japan is still hampered by regulations, the 2026 Zoomer E proves that classic design can blend perfectly with modern electric vehicle technology.